Hi friends, this is Priya Nayak and welcome to online free coaching for UGC NET. Here I will give the idea of NET or SET exams. I'm very happy for your first response of our first video, so I'm heartily thankful to you all. And most of the viewers mailed us by asking some suggestion about the NET pattern of UGC exams, that is NET or SET. So I shall explain you about the pattern. So this NET exam is conducted by a University Grant Commission, and this NET exam is conducted twice in a year, that is last Sunday of June and last Sunday of December. And the eligibility criteria will be age 28 years for JRF, and there is no upper limit for lectureship. Qualification: master degree with a minimum 55%. The scheme of examination will be, so in this exam we need to write 3 papers. So there will be a 2 session. The first session used to carry 2 papers. So first paper used to holding 100 marks, and they used to ask 60 questions, and we need to write 50 questions, and the duration will be 1 hour 15 minutes. If you attempted all the 60 questions, then the evaluators will be used to considering the first only 1 to 50 questions, and in that first session only we need to write second paper, even though that used to holding 100 marks, and 50 questions all are compulsory, and the duration will be 1 hour 15 minutes. And in that first paper, the most likely questions used to get based on the reasoning and quantity aptitude, research, current trended techniques on the base of teaching as well as computer science. And paper 2 is used to carrying the questions related to our subjects, even though this paper 3 used to carry our subjects only, means related to computer science subjects, and this is used to carry 150 marks, and there will be 75 questions. We need to attempt all the 75 questions, and during this duration will be 2 hours 30 minutes. And here we'll see about the declaration of results. So for general candidates, they should score 40 marks in paper 1, 40 marks in paper 2, and 75 marks in paper 3. Like that, OBC students should score 35 marks in paper 1, 35 marks in paper 2, and rounded off 68 marks in paper 3. Lastly, PWD as well as SC students should score 35 marks in paper 1, 35 marks in paper 2. Like that, in paper 3 they should score 60 marks. So here we are providing the syllabus which is used to going to cover by the NET exam. So for paper 1, we are knowing that what type of questions may arise. So once again, I will given those. It used to covering the questions based on the reasoning, quantitative aptitude, and related to research questions, current trended techniques, and then about teaching they used to ask, and related to computers. Some questions used to come in the first paper. And in paper 2, we need to concentrate on these subjects like data structures, computer arithmetic, programming in C and C++, and like database design and SQL, data and file structures, computer networks, and also we need to study about the system software and compilers. And this will be the best subject, and we can learn many things in compilers. And even though operating system with the case study of an Unix, here we may get the questions related to commands, and software engineering, how to design the system and all, and how to design the software. We'll come to know around this. And about lastly, we can learn some trends about the current trends and technologies. And paper 3 used to having many several subjects, and based on this subject only we can score good marks. But this is a main concept, and while learning these concepts we'll get some interesting topics also. Mainly this finite automata and formal languages used to uh, carrying nearby 30 marks questions, and we should give more first preference to study this subject only. And later on, digital system, microprocessor, remaining all subjects are having the same preference, but mainly we should give preference to finite automata and formal languages, and also we should give a preference for this Unix as well as Windows. Like that, many more subjects are having the highest priority and medium priority. We'll see about this. So we have giving some reference books here. Based on the priority, we can study here. So the first priority goes to, that is very high priority, we can say it as. In our first step, we need to study about the finite automata and formal languages. Already I told that near about 30 to 25 to 30 marks we used to score in this subject only. That's why we have added here like a very high priority for this book. And we'll see about this. Here also we got two high priority books. It is Unix system we need to study. That is book is written by Stevenson as well as Sunita Badas. These are the two very good books for studying the Unix system. And Windows programming, we can refer BPB publication books. This is also having high priority. Most of the questions used to ask in this three subjects only. And we'll check about the previous one also. Let us move with high priorities. We have seen very high priorities. Let's now we'll have a look on this high priorities. So first book is about a COA that is written by Maurice Mano. We can refer. This is a good book. And later we can study about the relational database design, and like that structured query language. It is also having a high priority of computer networks, operating system and concept, software engineering, and like analysis and design of algorithms, neural networks. So these all are subjects having high priorities. It means after finishing the first step, very high priority subjects we need to study first. Later on, we move to the high priority subjects. And if time permits, we can move with the third step, that is having a medium priority with these all subjects like programming language concepts and this data structures and file structures and software, system software, and this discrete structure and all. So if you have enjoyed with this video, then please click the below link to subscribe the channel, and we have given our links here. Thank you.